Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic, especially during cold and flu season. Doing this one thing can protect your baby from RSV. What's that one thing, you ask? Breastfeeding. Yes, it can. And I'm here to break it all down for you. RSV can be a scary thing to hear about when you're preparing to welcome your little one. But the good news is that breastfeeding can offer your baby some protection. So let's get into how that works and what you need to know. I'm Stephanie Poole, your go-to lactation consultant and doula, helping pregnant moms like you prepare for birth and learn how to breastfeed for the first time. Okay, first things first. What exactly is RSV? RSV is a common respiratory virus that usually causes mild cold-like symptoms. But for babies under 6 months old, especially those born prematurely or with health issues, it can lead to more serious problems like bronchiolitis or even pneumonia. According to the CDC, RSV cases peaked in late 2023, but the virus is still circulating. Most babies recover within a week or two, but for some, it's more severe. With the RSV shot currently still in short supply, you're probably wondering, well, how else can I protect my little one? And that's where breastfeeding comes in. Now, you might be thinking, wait, does breastfeeding really help with RSV? According to recent studies, yes. Breastfeeding can play a huge role in protecting your baby from RSV and other viral illnesses. Breast milk is packed with immune-boosting properties. Here's a breakdown of what's in it. Antibodies. These help to fight off infections. White blood cells that protect your baby's immune system. Lactoferrin, which is a protein that has antiviral properties, and vitamins and antioxidants that support your baby's overall immune function. Breastfeeding for just a couple of months, ideally 4 to 6, can lower the risk of your baby being hospitalized with RSV. Remember, even if you're combination feeding, meaning that you're using both breast milk and formula, you're still offering some protection. All right, so what if your baby does catch RSV despite your best efforts? Here's where it can get tricky. Feeding a baby with RSV can be difficult because of congestion and stuffy noses, which can make it hard for them to latch or bottle feed. Here are some expert tips to make feeding more comfortable. Do frequent short feeds. Think of it like cluster feeding. Smaller, more frequent feedings can help keep your baby hydrated without overwhelming them. Use saline drops in their nose before feeding to clear out the congestion. And trust me, a bulb syringe is your best friend here. Run a hot shower and sit in the steamy bathroom with your baby before feeding. The steam will help to clear out those nasal passages so they can breathe easier. And finally, keep the air moist at night to help your baby breathe better while they sleep. The best part about breastfeeding? It's more than just nutrition. It's your baby's first line of defense. While exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months offers the most protection, any amount of breast milk helps. So even if you're not exclusively breastfeeding, don't stress. Combo feeding is still super beneficial. Breastfeeding not only helps with RSV, but can also help to protect your baby from other infections like the flu, colds, and ear infections. Plus, studies suggest that breastfeeding might even support lung growth and function, which would make it harder for viruses like RSV to do serious damage. If you want more expert tips on preparing for birth and learning how to breastfeed with confidence, be sure to check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint. This course walks you through everything from pregnancy to breastfeeding, so you'll feel ready when your little one arrives. Drop a comment below with your top question about breastfeeding, and I'll be sure to answer it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video with another mom who could use the info. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay healthy, stay hydrated, and keep rocking your pregnancy journey.